The Ministry of Mines is strengthening India's critical mineral security through its science and technology research and development initiatives. The primary objective of this scheme is to translate scientific research into practical technologies that can support the exploration, extraction, processing, and recycling of critical minerals. With a dedicated focus on critical minerals, the program encourages strong collaboration between research institutions and industry. Industry partner participation is mandatory, ensuring that innovations are market-driven, application-oriented, and commercially viable. In addition, the scheme provides seed grant support for fundamental research, fostering new ideas and breakthrough technologies. These efforts are expected to contribute significantly to India's long-term resource security, technological self-reliance, and sustainable development. For the Ministry of Mines R&D scheme, eligible applicants include academic institutions, universities, national institutes, and dedicated research and development organizations. Funding is released through the concerned institution rather than directly to the principal investigator, ensuring proper project governance and accountability. A key requirement of the scheme is mandatory participation from industry or MSME partners, with a minimum cash contribution of 20% from industry, while MSMEs are required to contribute at least 10%. The scheme focuses on projects within technology readiness levels, or TRLs 3 to 7, covering proof-of-concept studies, laboratory validation, prototype development, and validation in relevant environments. Additionally, applicants must complete sample collection and preliminary characterization before submitting proposals, and should possess the necessary analytical capabilities or establish collaborations with institutions that can provide such support. These requirements ensure that funded projects are scientifically sound, industry relevant, and capable of progressing toward practical technological solutions. The grant approval process under the Ministry of Mines R&D scheme is designed to ensure transparency, technical rigor, and effective utilization of funds. Research proposals are first submitted through the Satyabama portal, after which they undergo preliminary scrutiny by the Project Evaluation and Review Committee, or PERC. Eligible proposals are then subjected to a detailed technical evaluation by PERC to assess their scientific merit, innovation potential, and relevance to critical minerals. The proposals recommended by PERC are further reviewed by the Sectoral Subgroup, or SSAG, before final approval. Based on these recommendations, the Ministry of Mines releases funding for approved projects. Throughout the project duration, PERC continuously monitors progress through annual reports and periodic reviews. The release of subsequent funding installments is linked to the submission of progress reports and utilization certificates, ensuring accountability and the timely achievement of project objectives. A successful proposal under the Ministry of Mines R&D scheme should clearly demonstrate its relevance to the scheme's objectives, particularly in areas such as critical minerals, recycling, waste utilization, extraction, refining, and product or process development. Proposals should move beyond open-ended research and present a clear pathway toward technology development and commercialization. Applicants are expected to provide a basic proof of concept, supported by preliminary laboratory results, raw material validation, process feasibility studies, and initial product data. Equally important is the validation of raw materials, including their source, composition, valuable metal content, impurities, and potential sustainability benefits. The proposal should also define the expected product quality and purity, ensuring it meets the requirements of the intended application. A relevant industry partner is mandatory and should actively contribute through raw material support, validation, scale-up activities, or technology adoption. Finally, the proposal must demonstrate confidence in scaling up the technology by presenting process flow diagrams, mass balance calculations, equipment requirements, and a clear roadmap for industrial implementation. In summary, a strong R&D proposal combines scheme alignment, validated feedstock, a proven proof of concept, an application-ready product, committed industry participation, and a realistic pathway for scale-up and commercialization.